Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the Phenyx Pro personal monitor system. I already have one, not this one, but I want to check this one out because this one seems pretty cool. So the box contains the transmitter, body tech receiver, the headphones, power adapter, 2 AA batteries, 2 metal racks, manual, 1 antenna, and an extension cord. So basically it has everything in it. Let's try to check it out. I did not know that this has a case. Or did it say that? Nope, it did not say that what I was reading. Wow, this one is pretty. It's a nice, nice plastic, but very durable. Dang. Click here to open, or click pop off. And let's see what we got here. We got the nice foam padding. We have the headphones. This looks like the antenna or the cords. Manual. This is the box right here for the transmitter. I'm sorry, that is the receiver. Got the adapter. This would be the transmitter. And then we have the antenna. Pretty cool. And then these racks here, I'm not really going to use it. You could probably put this in your studio, or if you're touring, you can start using that to mount these on there, but I don't really use it. But yeah, let's check this out. We have the receiver box here. So it has the stereo left and right. You can do XLR, or you can do the 1/4 inch. Looks like it's got the DC 12 to 18 volt. And this is where you do your antenna. It also has a pad switch here too, which is really good. Coming here, we have the headphones. We got the volume for the headphones. Let's see. And this is the volume. It was right in the middle. That I'm assuming this is the lowest side. Turn it this way is the highest. And then we have these buttons set. Looks like for the frequencies on it, and then the power button. So I'm gonna set this up after. Place this here. All right, so this is the not receiver. This is the transmitter. Starting from the top, we got the volume and power button. Is it the power? Oh, yep. This is the power. This is the volume here. We got your headphone jack in here with the antenna. And we have this clip here. Usually, like I had a in-ear monitor, usually these clips come off. So I wonder how durable this one is. Hopefully it's good, but it's not so bad because if it does come off, you lose it. You can also put this in your back pocket, front pocket, whatever's. And we got the, let's see, there's that camera. As you guys can see. So yeah. Here's that. I'm going to take these all out because I'm going to test it too, just to see how it sounds. We have the wand or the antenna. Let's see. So this is the manual here. I'm not really going to go through it too much. See how it shows the, let's see, it shows the receiver, how to use this, balance. So this has a stereo, which I really like. So, alright, so we have the headphones here. We got some cushions, different sizes for your ear, and here it is. It's just like regular headphones. We'll see how it goes. I had the Shure 215s, which is on the, I wouldn't say lower side, but one of the cheaper and quality headphones that you could use. These ones are just kind of regular. You could use your own beats, but there's that. This is good for your adapter for the headphones to plug into here. That should be it. So I'm gonna try and set this up, placing the antenna here. Okay, cool. Got the adapter. There's it in there. Uh-oh. And right in this little pocket here, I found the AA batteries, which I thought it didn't come with, but it does. So I'm gonna break these. Cool. All right, I'm gonna push the power button, turn the volume on. Does it go on? Or do I hold it? Oh, you hold it. And let's see if you guys can see this. And you focus this. So you guys see the LCD screen. Now I just need to set up the transmitter. So we'll try that. All right, so we're gonna do the test from the box first, and then we'll go into the transmitter. So there you go. 2, 3. Alright, so that was the sound of the transmitter, or the receiver. Now we're going to use the transmitter, see how that one sounds. 2. So you can definitely hear the difference between the body tack and the box. But the body tack is still pretty clear. You know, as you guys can hear, it doesn't, all you hear is kind of like a little hissing sound, but which is normal with transmitters that I use. So if you guys want to check out more information on it, I highly suggest checking out the link. And this is definitely a pretty good one. My first one that I got was right around this price, so pretty reasonable. But yeah, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.